So here's a quick video on how to install a backup camera in a 2012 Camaro. So what you want to do is you want to take your video cable with the red wire, connect it to the reverse purple wire, right? You want to feed that all the way to your trunk, just like this. Just want to snake it all the way through here, all the way to the back seat, fold on the back seat, throw it in. Then you want to feed it all the way around until you get to here. And this is where you want to drill a hole. Just like that. Ignore how it looks like crap. No one's ever going to see this because the black cover is going to be in your way. Anyways, so then you want to come down here. You want to take off this plastic piece. You want to drill a hole through it. And then drill a hole through the metal that's behind it. Then you just want to feed your two cables, your video and your power, which is the red one, through this back into the trunk. So it looks like this. Feed it through here. Feed all 4 wires through there into your taillight. Then it should look like this. This one right here, this harness, this is your reverse. So the light green one is the one you want to tap into. So you just want to cut it a little bit and then attach the one with the video cable, the yellow video cable, and the red wire to the light green one. Then you want to take the other one, the other wire, which is where is it? The one with the ground. This one, I think. Yeah, the one with the ground and the power. And you just want to tap into the same wire that's for the video. So it should look like this. You just want to tap into it. Then you want to take the ground and just tap into the ground as well. And then that's it. That should be all. So with everything taped up, it should look something like this. Ground is on ground. The yellow video with the red wire is connected to the reverse, which is the light green one. And then you want to splice into that red wire with the other red wire, put them together, and then put your ground to ground, of course. And then it should work. So let's test it.